Morning guys. So meron tayong Golf 2012. Ito yung pinalitan natin ng timing belt at water pump dati na Golf. So ngayon papalitan natin ng front and rear brake pads, which is ito yung kanyang brake pad here front at ito yung kanyang sa rear brake pad. So mabadaliin lang natin ito dahil may lakad yung may-ari, no? So that for yung magandang brake fluid, dahil ito yung nasa pinaka peak na para pang high temperature na brake fluid. Kung may duda kayo sa inyong sasakyan, just refer to your manual specification, no? Owner's manual. Okay, and tirahin na natin. So meron siyang cover dito, yung mga wheel nut cover. Tanggalin nyo to, kailangan nyo ng picker para madali siyang tanggalin. And then since meron siyang lock nut, so ito yung kanyang lock nut guys. First thing first, itapat nyo muna hanggang sa hindi siya ikot. That means ang lock nut nakabukod na. And then to minimize the tension, you have to jack up the car so it will have no less tension, no? On the while taking out the lock nut. Okay, and then you have to crack open all the wheel nuts. Crack open, yeah. The reason why, para hindi masira yung guns natin, impact guns. Once the wheel is up, we're gonna pump up jack stands. And then always use jack stands. We're gonna pump up the hydraulic jack and then put the jack stands up top. Okay. And we're gonna remove the wheel. Mabadaliin lang natin to dahil hindi may lakad yung mayari. So yan, tanggal na natin. And then quick check lang muna. Malaki na ang medyo. Hi!
Kamusta?
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. So what's the story?
Tatanong ko lang kung meron kang nakita doon sa...
Bukas
punta ka?
Bukas pupuntahan ko ba?
Sige.
Dahil kagagaling ko lang sa ba? Sa tawag dito. Ha?
Sige.
Ipakitix mo nga yung
Reg.
yung reg number niya.
Sige.
Para hindi natin Okay.
Tapos tanong ko lang.
Driver side
Driver
side wing mirror.
Tapos patitingnan ko lang sana itong yung alam mo yung sa B.M.W, yung sa lang naman yung parang sa dust may lumalabas na sign doon.
Engine light o
Hindi engine light, ko kanina. Sabi doon brake light daw na umiilaw naman.
Brake light.
Oo.
Ano na yung bulb?
Pero may ilaw naman.
May ilaw.
Oo.
Merong bulb na papuntang papundi pa lang,
Papunta pala.
nadidetect na niya.
Detect niya.
Oh. Kasi ang valve mayroon ding lifespan eh.
Okay. Siguro baka
Okay.
yun ang cost no.
Okay.
Sige bro.
That's only simple problem.
Very good. Very
Okay,
good.
it's not much money on it. So leave it for the last.
Yeah, that's right. Anyway.
Not much money, so
That's money.
leave it for the last time. If it is not much money, okay? We have to wait until more money.
Sa bagay.
Okay.
Magtatanong lang ako.
Oh.
Kasi ito,
Ang dami mo nang tinatanong.
kaya nga, dami ko tinatanong, na-stop
Ano,
ko
ano,
na talaga.
ano?
Hindi kasi itong pulang kotse na to, balak kong i-dispose na, parang gano'n.
What you mean? I-trade in?
Ipamigay o ibenta pa kung mabibili pa ba yan?
Trade in mo na lang.
Hindi kasi meron yung yung hipa ko kasi para ibigay nila yung napunta sa amin yung kotse niya, parang gano'n. Nakakataas ng insurance, parang gano'n. Kaya gusto ko i-dispose yung isa.
So, anong balak mong gawin yan?
Ang balak kong gawin is ayusin ko anong dapat ayusin and then ibenta o something like that. Mabibili pa ba yan?
Oo. May kakilala kong nagbabay and sell. Pero
Sige nga.
picturean natin yung sasakyan.
Sige, picture mo to yung pula na to.
O, picturean natin. And
Anong
then
kailangang picture?
i-send ko sa kanya.
Sige.
Okay?
Sige.
Okay.
Sige pa.
Sige. So, ganyan lang guys. Medyo may kain na din yung kanyang brake disc, no? Lip. So, kaso, ang meron lang tayo is brake pads lang. So, abisuhan lang natin mamaya yung may-ari pagkabit nito. So, i-squash nyo muna yung brake caliper nya. Ang purpose niyan para magkaroon siya ng clearance dito paglabas ng kanyang brake pads. Okay? And after that, there is a slider bolt that is sitting at the back. Like this is torque bolts. Tatanggalin natin. So dito sa pagtanggal nito, yung kanyang brake pads, brake disc. Pag brake disc, tatanggalin nyo lahat, pati yung kanyang brake carrier. But since only brake pads lang papalitan natin, so dito lang tayo magtatanggal, as in diretso. So para hindi na tayo magkailangan ng brake rewinder, ipupush lang natin ito sagad, as in sagad talaga. But before nyo i-push, tatanggalin nyo muna yung retainer, no? And then push nyo na ganyan. So hayaan nyo lang dahan-dahan. Ang purpose nyan, mag-compress yung kanyang brake piston caliper inside. And once it is inside, we can now change the brake pad. Side. Okay, and then once it's in, Pwede nyo ring liwag siya na ganun, like full turn, like, so you can have easy access. But this time now, because this is only simple things like, so yung kanyang brake pad dito sa may passenger side is meron siyang meron siyang brake pad sensor. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung brake pad sensor. So tinanggal yung kanyang caliper. Of course, tatanggalin mo na yung caliper, and then once na matanggal na yung kanyang caliper, pull up nyo na like so, and then yung kanyang brake pad sensor is nandito na. Tanggalin nyo muna dito. Actually yung kanyang brake pad sensor is medyo gamitan natin ng picker. So, pagtanggal ng kanyang brake pad sensor, ito yung kanyang brake pad sensor. Gamitan nyo lang ng picker para madali siyang tanggal nyo dito. Picker dito, kasi dito mahirap ito, sometimes magsisis ito, o di kaya mag crunchy, and then it will broke up. So to prevent that, you have to use picker, squash it out here and then press, and then that's how you remove the thing. And then have a look there. Yung kanyang brake pad is literally 1 mil, so it's almost, and this one is half mil, so it's nearly, it's good that this is already maintained up to date. So you're gonna have to get grease. So before doing anything else, you have to compare the old brake pads between the new brake pads. Cut it around. If they are the same size, then you're good to go. Kasi pag nakabit na nyo to, tapos hindi para palihas, so mahirapan na kayong pagbalik sa tindahan dahil nabuksan na kasi. So make sure na ikukumpara nyo muna yung old at saka new before doing anything else. And then just grab your little wire brush there, and then just brush the thing, job in there, that's, and then yeah, and then just push this, apply pressure into it, so it will just push down now. And then your slider, just press it around the slider, kapintura na tong slider niya. So tanggalin natin yung pintura sa kanyang slider, kasi pag may mga ganito kasi guys, mahirapan siyang babalik, no? Kasi ang slider or yung caliper, kailangan maglalaro lang kasi dito. It has to play like on and off, sliding on and off. So we have to remove the dirt here, and also the other side have to remove the dirt, whatever necessary. Have to clean this thing before we put it back on. So it has to be like this, like a shiny metal armor, this. And then once it is clean, you're gonna have now the copper grease. This is anti-seize grease. This is what you do once the slider ball is clean. Put grease on it on each side like that. Voila. And then yeah, and then this one here. First thing first, you have to do the inner, which is have the brake pads sensor on it. So you have to put up, so you have to do the inner part, so like this, and then push it around, push it like so. Once it's in the position, the outer pads, you just kinda put it like that. Put the grease first, as the pads contact here. Pads contact, put the grease on it. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side. Yeah. And then avoid touching this brake pad surface, so it will not mess up on the braking. It looks like okay. Let's see. So now, and then put back on the brake pad now. Brake caliper, I mean, put it back on. Once brake caliper is in, you can now start tightening the torque bolts, which is on the inside of it. Tighten the torque bolts in here by hand. Contact press by hand. You should do this by hand to put it inside, so otherwise, because we don't mess up with the thread on this brake carrier. So once it is by hand, like so, and then use your ratchet. Again, once the torque bolts or slider bolts stop turning, then that's it. That's the end of it. On the other side. And the last thing you do is to connect here. Connect the brake pad sensor connector here. Just push it up. Here it's click. Once it's clicked, that is done. And then put back the brake retainer. Don't forget the brake retainer here, caliper retainer. So like that. And then squeeze out up like that. And then once it's in, just push it by your flathead screwdriver, but whatever. Once it's in, yeah, done. Put back the wheels back on. Torque 120 torque Newton meter, and we're done. On the near side rear, abisuhan lang natin yung may-ari na he might be hearing like hissing sounds, because the brake pads is new and the brake disc is old, so it has to be some kind of marriage together between the brake pads and brake disc. So it will take some time to form the brake pads on its shape according to the shape of the lip of the brake disc. So abisuhan natin yung may-ari na maaaring makakarinig siya ng sounds dahil yung kanyang brake disc ay medyo malalim na, no, ang kain. So the next time na magpalit tayo ng brake disc, brake pad, is papalitan na din natin yung brake disc. So brake pads and disc on the next time. So the reason why inuuna natin yung kanyang lock nut para hindi siya tensionado, no? And then itutorque natin ng mga 120 Newton meter. Lagyan natin ng lock dito kalang para hindi siya iikot sabay. Ganyan. So kailangan check natin. Kailangan 120 Newton meter ito. Okay. That's 120 Newton meter. That's it. And then ibalik natin yung kanyang lock nut cups. And then we're moving to the driver side front, which is the same procedure as this one. The only thing is the driver side front has no brake pad sensor, so that's okay. And then baba natin, tanggalin mo natin yung isang, and then baba. And that's how you run your front. Thank you.